Okay, welcome back to Assembly TV. This is Mobile Game Development Studio. For the next hour, we will present you the new mobile game competition, its sponsors, and the game. So, first, I'd like to present you all the persons we have here in studio. My name is Ville Vateen, and I'm the mobile compo organizer of this assembly event. I'll be hosting this session. Our first guest is Peter Westerbacka from HP Bazaar, one of the title sponsors. Could you, Peter, introduce yourself and tell a little bit about HP Bazaar?
Sure. Yeah, so I'm Peter Westerbacka from the HP Mobile E-Services Bazaar. And basically, the bazaar is something that we started here in Helsinki back in 1999 when we kind of like realized all the cool stuff that was being done around mobility over here in Helsinki. And okay, we're a US company, and okay, it was pretty obvious also that it didn't make sense to do this stuff in the US. So we started this bazaar activity to bring the whole mobile ecosystem together, all different application developers and all these players. And then now we spread this to Singapore, Cupertino, Tokyo, and so on. So it's all about mobile services.
Okay, and the next quest is Eero Tunkelo from Forum Nokia, another title sponsor, of course. Eero, what is Forum Nokia and what is your role there?
Forum Nokia is a third-party developer support organization. So we give support for all the developers who are developing for our mobile phones and platforms that we have. And my role is there. I'm a technology expert in the Symbian area, so I give support for those who are developing for our Symbian phones.
Okay, thanks. And then next question is Christian Andersson from Game Federation. Christian, what is Game Federation and what's your task there?
Game Federation is a small company based in Stockholm. I'm the technical manager for our product, Gex. And Gex, it's really a game community in a box. It's something an operator or a internet provider would buy to get a full gaming system. And it provides download support and distribution of games for the actual software and hosting of the games, and supports various services around the game, especially community functionality such as chats and so on.
Yeah, and last but not the least, we have Sami Mäkinen from Dream one of the game development teams participating in the compo. Sami, what is Dream One and what have you done for the compo?
Yes, Dream One is a content production company, and we specialize in new media all around. Our main focus is 3D graphics, but we've always had a heart for storytelling. And we also have a history with assembly, as some people might know. And now we are creating one of these games for a mobile phone for this competition.
Okay, so let's move to the main subject. This year, Assembly introduced a new mobile game development competition. It was made to provide an inspirational setting for pushing boundaries of today's technology and rapidly trying new applications. The objective of the competition is to create new, exciting, playable game for mobile devices. We are preferring multiplayer network games, and the focus of the game is on content like playability, innovation, multiplayer interaction, and not in the technology behind it. The purpose was not to produce production-ready games. So this is a search for highly skilled talents and good gaming concepts. So what does this competition mean for you? Peter, first.
Yeah, for us it was very important to get this multiplayer gaming going, because let's face it, it's pretty boring to just like be playing by yourself. So really involve more people and get kind of like a community going. So that's really very important for us here in this assembly games company.
Eero?
Well, for Nokia, this competition is important because we want to bring more awareness to our platforms of our Series 60 platform and for our phones there, 7650, 3650, n-gage. So we want to promote and let people know that you can do a lot of cool stuff with these phones, on these phones.
Yeah, and it's not even very difficult.
It's not even very difficult, and we want to stretch the concept of what you can do in mobile gaming.
Okay, and Christian, why are you here?
Of course, to draw attention to our platform, to show how it can be used by developers to easier create games and what it can do for the operators and so on. But the most important thing is to find new content, to see what these young guys can develop, see what innovative ideas they can come up with.
Great. And Sami?
Well, we have an idea, we have an inspiration, and now we need to get it out of our heads. So this is the channel that we're using now, and it's very fun to be here. It's nice, and we're learning all sorts of new stuff here about Nokia phones, HP products, and we're now using the gex multiplayer server for our game. So it's a new learning experience, and it's fun, and we get to tell the stories we like to tell.
Okay, great. So let's move to tell a little bit more about the technology. So what technology have you provided for this competition, Peter?
Yeah, so we have provided these HP Itanium servers, so really basically providing this boring infrastructure that you need for these multiplayer games, and then we expect partners here to provide all these cool new games for them.
And Eero?
Forum Nokia has provided the Series 60 phones for the developers to test their applications. We chose that because Series 60 is getting more and more popular, and there's a lot more potential there. So that's why we chose that. And it's for both native Symbian and also for Java MIPI applications that developers can use. We also provide software, development kits, and so both software and hardware.